Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, it's a day after Jamaicans shopping online saw their tax-free allowance move from $50 to $100.
The customs duty-free threshold increase took effect on April 1.
But as Kalisha Williams reports, local retailers are worried about their future.
It's the moment thousands of Jamaicans have been waiting for. The movement of the tax-free allowance for online shopping from $50 to $100 took effect on April 1. The ripple effect, dozens of people flocking online stores. Some told us they're motivated to do even more online shopping.
So I always purchase online, and whenever I purchase anything that is above 50, custom give me a warm time to give me my goods. Well, it's great. It's better for everyone.
Shipping companies too are looking to cash in. The increase means people are able to purchase more items valuing up to $100 without paying the customs duty fee. Ramon Eccleston is the manager of this shipping company in St. Andrew.
We're going to get more volume, so the more volume is better for shipping companies. So it's a great feeling, and I expect a lot more customer to shop.
But for local retailers, the increase in the tax-free allowance means fewer Jamaicans visiting their stores. For example, these store owners in Halfway Tree said popular online retailer Shein is their biggest competitor.
If we are sell one shirt, example for 8,000, them I go and she got get it for 2,000, 3,000, so it affect it.
And already, the store manager says January to April is considered their slowest period. Now they fear it will be made worse by a migration of more Jamaicans to international online stores.
Well, they have to sell for PSL right now because no matter how this is not really one. They're not going to make much. Say if one shoes are for $7,000, probably have to pay 9, 8, no, local.
Business operators who sell along the streets of the city said they were already feeling the pinch. Dion sells male and children's clothing in downtown Kingston.
It has stressed me, God no. Now say I say, boy, I just stop say, but again, I say just have to try see him. I just customer with the offer. We know the good things them I want them. I pay cheapness them I look. Them why your good things them say little and nothing.
I was told one of the reasons behind the high cost of goods in local stores is the cost of rent.
Car rent expensive. Yeah. The rent at 200,000 a month, so I have to sell it at them prices.
President of the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Alliance, Donovan Wignall, is one of the persons who pushed for the increase in the customs duty-free threshold.
$200 was that we were asking for. We got 100, so I think we'll take that. We continue to lobby to, have it increase.
With the challenges local businesses face now, Mr. Wignall, who is also a business owner, explained that companies will have to evolve and change their product offerings to keep pace with the changing market.
So for example, you're selling clothes, you're selling watches, you're selling jewelry, you're selling small electronics, small car parts, looking at the value, I think, you will have a challenge with people who are shopping online. So if you're in a business that is going to be impacted negatively by any particular change in logistics that's going to see your business slump, you have to evolve, you have to adapt, you have to be agile, you have to make those changes.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.